Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, inside the showroom, checking out this beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. This is a C-code car, so it's a 289 two-barrel car. The original DSO was Washington State. So this was a West Coast car most of its life. And kind of interesting, as you'll see in the engine bay pictures, still has the original smog equipment under the hood. So anyhow, this was a gorgeous car owned by the last gentleman for the past 7 years. It had been restored prior to him. The restoration was completed in 2012, but it looks truly like it was just restored this past year. The paint and body quality are exceptional. This car was originally a vintage burgundy color, is how it started life according to the trim tag, but was changed to a night mist blue metallic. Probably looks almost black in some of the pictures, but as I get closer here in the video, you'll see it's a navy blue metallic and it's gorgeous. I really think that the paint and body on this are probably nicer than when this baby came out of the factory in '66. I love the 66s. My first two cars were both 66 Mustang Coupes, so I'm very partial to 66 Mustangs. This one's been a blast to drive while we've had it. Really brought back some memories, but let me give you a quick walk around tour on the body. Like I said, paint and body quality exceptional on this car. Hopefully you'll see the reflection, how straight the body is, how great the gaps are. And the gaps, let's face it, were never perfect from the factory, so they're probably better than original. The trunk lays down nicely. It was converted to a dual exhaust. It's got MagnaFlow mufflers on it, so it's got a real nice tone to it. It's as good of a driver as it is to look at, believe me. Cruises out really nicely. I put some miles on it, had it out on the highway. Really impressive the way it drives. Really nice set of styled steel wheels wrapped in the thin white wall tires, very classic. Hopefully you can see some of the reflection here up on the roof. So under the hood, original 289 two-barrel. The motor was completely gone through. I've got lots of receipts and history on the restoration that will be included, and you'll see in the pictures. But original 289 two-barrel. It's got power steering and power disc brakes were added. Nice, easy driving 66 Mustang with those features. Cool, they did the chrome gills there next to the grille. Nice little add-on touch. It's got the chrome wheel well trim, rocker panel trim. Interior is gorgeous, was completely redone as well. So when they changed it to the night mist blue, they went with the two-tone blue base interior. Looks great. Blue carpeting. Headliner looks great. All of your weather stripping, your glass, everything looks fantastic. Nice center console. Steering wheel looks great. It's got an aftermarket stereo. The speakers do not seem to be working correctly, so that may need a little bit of work to get the stereo functioning as well as it could. They sent the speedometer out to have it rebuilt, and they reset it to 0. It currently has 787 miles on it. Undercarriage is fantastic. Rock solid floor pans. Take a look at all the pictures and details. I'm going to fire it up and let you hear it running. Fires right up. Again, nice tone from the dual exhaust, nothing too loud. Idle's great. And let you hear it running. So again, if you've been in the market for a gorgeous 66 Mustang Coupe, this is one you don't want to miss out on. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks very much. Good luck.